I know why you click on this video to cloud n8n for free. So in this video we will learn how to cloud host n8n for free, and there is only one method to host n10 on cloud for free. But there are various methods like to buy a VPS from hosting and other methods. We will learn how to cloud host n8n for free. So let's get into the video. So the tool we are using is under the under the this bloody thing, and first thing is that I will tell you that we are not using hosting. So if I go to the hosting.com and see there is a self-host NLM. We just have to buy an VPS to run NLM on self-host, and it will cost around $6.99 per month and around $100 per year, or uh, minimum to like $100. Like if you buy for 24 or 12 months, we have to pay $100. Okay, but why you click on this video to host n8n for free without give any kind of money or without add any kind of your credit card? So how will you do that? I will tell you. First, we will remove it, and we use Cloud. This is a platform that helps build, that gave us opportunity to run n8n locally, or sorry, to run n8n self-hosted for free. So if you want to access it, you can click the link in you can click first link in the description, and you can go from here. So first we will just search law cloud cloud run. Okay, then you have the https dot run dot cloud claw.cloud. Okay, click it. This interface will come, and they are giving free $5 every month, like GitHub benefit. So before creating account of it, you will just go and search for GitHub, and click it. First we will create account on GitHub. I will just continue from Google, select my email, add email address, and just click continue. My username is this. Okay, that's good. But the AI available, we will just create an account. It will take time. I think it will give us a verification code. Okay, the verification has been completed, and we are directed to our GitHub. So what we have to do now? Just go back to cloud, run, and click on get started for free. Or click here get started. They will ask for login, and we are using GitHub. So first time benefit $5 credit. For GitHub user, eligibility required registration at least 7 days ago. For Gmail user, no other requirement. Recurring monthly benefit $5 per credit, unlocked by finding your GitHub account. The GitHub account needs to register for 180 plus days. If your account is GitHub account is 180 days plus, you will get a monthly $5. Okay, so let's click on GitHub and authorize it from here. This interface will become. You have to just select a region. Sorry, you have to select a region. I will choose east, and give a demo. I will just click on start deploy. once you click on start deploy, this screen will come. Skip this or just you have to continue this or skip this. Then you are you see that you see, right, that we don't get any credit. Why? Because our GitHub account is created right now. But we will just go log out and go with our Gmail account. If you have 180 days plus GitHub account, this is good and good for you. Okay, we already used by another user. Okay, we will just go and go on our other project. Cloud run and click with the first one. After that, after after okay, after you log in from GitHub or Gmail, you will get a free credit. Okay, if I click here, we are getting a $5 credit per month, and this is a good thing for us to run for this test and everything. If you are just creating for your client, you just have to buy a server or VG server. This is just for a testing purpose. After that, when you log in, you will nothing see anything. You will not see anything. Just click on App Store, and after click on App Store, you will see n8n. Click here, and here you will click on deploy. After deploying, it will take 1 or 2 minutes. Then you will get this n8n. Okay, you will just you can just n8n cloud on that. No need to run or connect with Angular. This is the best and efficient way to host and self-hosting it for free. Just you will see like a screen like a email and a password and all of the things. Just fill it out, and you will just see the another interface. Click on create a new workflow, and the best part is you can also connect your Gmail's account, your Google's account, Google Sheet, Google, any third-party API, or you can also access webhooks, because if you localhost n8n from Docker, you can't access webhooks. So hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.